Hi, everybody. This is Maria Dolan, Marketing Director for Edison Mobile Estates. This is an updated video of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home that we're building at lot AA-6 in Edison Mobile Estates. We're a land lease community at 852 US Highway 1. Here we have the house skirted. We finished the siding on the front of the house. We had to take a little break because the supplies weren't available, and now, as of today, it has been completed. So you have 2-car parking in front of the house. That's the maximum amount of parking allowed. Here's a view of the neighborhood. We just spent about $500,000 repaving the whole community. So the place is pristine and really elegant. It looks great. This house has a concrete patio along the edge. We'll have sod placed on the side there. The back steps will be completed. The storm doors are still needed to be installed. Those are Anderson storm doors that we add. Here we have outside water. This is the last shed that we have available. After the lockdown, we were not able to acquire the sheds anymore. It was such a disappointment. And the price kept going up and up. It was like $1,300 for one shed. So they're insulated and I believe pretty waterproof. That's one of the main reasons we do the concrete pad for the bottom of the shed. So this yard still has to be landscaped. I don't know if they're doing sod in the back or just grass seed. And here you have more decking for the steps. So we'll have our carpenter get on that next week. I think the date for this is March 5th. So now today we're at March 20th and a lot has been completed since then. But I'll try and do another updated video before this house sells. Here's a great little porch area. Here's the decking. Here's the view of the neighborhood. Isn't that beautiful? That turned out so nice. So let's take a look inside. Again, it's still a construction site and there's a lot of material in the house. Here you see that they're working that little, their shutters have to be put up. That piece of wood there with the little footstool was to be able to reach the marriage wall. So that's been completed since my last video. They did the drywall and you can't even tell it was ever 2 parts because the house came in 2 truckloads. See that? Doesn't that look great right above you? Here's a stunning kitchen. It's laminate flooring on this side. Oh no, I think it's vinyl flooring. And then the other side is carpeting. Isn't that pretty underneath? The little brackets to hold up the countertop. This little scroll work. I've never seen that before. It's really pretty. So the stove is out because the guy was here to install the gas. Here's our thermostat. Here's hall closet. We've got the screens ready to go in all the doors. This is the master bedroom. Again, a lot of debris, but that'll all be cleaned up shortly. It's a huge room. You could probably put a king-size bed in there. Now we have the lights on, so that's fantastic. All of the LED lights are on. Here's a little area for the commode. And then you've got the door on the shower stall now. And then across from the shower stall is this huge linen closet. I love the design of this bathroom. It's really nice. On the far wall is the closet. And there's the data plate. I'll have a copy of that at the end of the video. Across the hall is a real utility room. And here is where you would have your washer and dryer. And on the opposite wall, you have your water heater on the left side and your whole house shutoff valve for the water. Then there's this great little area for adding shelving. And then here you have your furnace. And that runs your central air conditioning and your forced hot air. Down the hallway, you come to the hall bathroom. The countertop is the same as the other bathroom. You've got a cosmetic box above the toilet, a framed mirror, your transom window above the bathtub. This is a one-piece fiberglass unit. And then finally the second bedroom. Again, there's items all over the house because it's not really ready for viewing. Big windows, those are thermal pane windows. And all the windows have the valances and the shades that the manufacturer provided. Here you see the closet and the bypass doors. So if you're interested in this house or any other houses in Edison Mobile Estates, start at the website myhomeinedison.com. And you'll fill out the pre-qualifying questions, and then you'll receive a series of emails. There should be 4 emails that you'll receive from our Constant Contact website. And then if there's any questions I see with regards to your answers, then I'll email you separately and walk you through the process. The emails that are sent out are very extensive with a lot of information, so make sure to take a look at that. Well, we look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy the still photos. Edison Mobile Estates is a manufactured home community. We are located in a fabulous location right on Highway 1, just a mile away from Metuchen, New Jersey, close to the train stations, great school systems, close to the Parkway, close to Route 9, very close to 287. It's a really convenient location. It's one way in and one way out, so it's pretty secluded. It's private property, so we don't have any soliciting, and people really enjoy the privacy, even though we're in a great hub close to the airport, the Newark airport. Our office is in the front of the community as you drive in. We meet everybody by appointment only. So if you want to meet us, fill out the 15 questions or email us if you're interested. This is US Highway 1 or Route 1 in Edison. Our family is the Dolan family. We are Dolan Homes. We've been building manufactured homes in our 3 communities for over 40 years. On our website, dolanhomes.com, you'll see Edison, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. Those are the 3 parks that we manage. Robert Dolan is the managing member. This community has been in the Dolan family since 1974. Here's Robert Dolan. He holds all the licenses to build and manufacture and install the manufactured homes. As our nephew and our son, we are a small family business, husband, wife, nephew, son, and their little kids. We really pride ourselves on being 4 generations, and it's a joy when the little ones join us in the summertime. We have a fabulous crew with lots of experience, and it's all hands on deck when we're building one home at a time from our family to yours. We do all the utility connections, water, sewer, and electric, and the concrete foundation of all the houses. We have a lot of advantages to joining us. We are a land lease community, so the cost is very little because the actual homeowners do not pay the real estate. Edison Mobile Estates pays the taxes and thereby makes it much easier for homeowners to purchase homes. The median income price of a home in Edison is over $400,000, and our homes are from $148,000 and a little bit lower and a little bit higher. We're just so pleased to be part of the American dream of home ownership. Come join us, check out our website, and email us or fill out the 15 questions, and we'll get right back to you.